Alright guys, so today I want to do a full unbox review and setup on my new compact dining set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. So right out of the box, you've got the table, the two chairs, the steel wire storage shelf, and all the hardware. The instructions are clear and everything is labeled, which makes assembly easy. I started out with the table first. It's made of MDF wood with a butcher block style finish, which gives it a nice modern look. The frame is steel and you can tell it's built to be sturdy. I've attached the legs and everything fits together well. No weird gaps or misaligned holes. And then onto the chairs. They come together pretty quickly too. The frames are solid steel and the seat is designed to be both durable and comfortable. Once everything is secured, the last part is adding the footrest, which makes the chair extra sturdy. One of the cool features here is the built-in wire storage shelf. It mounts at the bottom of the table and adds some extra functionality. You can use it to store dishes, napkins, or even a few cookbooks, keeping things handy without cluttering up your table. And just like that, it is fully assembled, super simple, no complicated steps, and it comes together in just a few minutes. Okay, and now that everything's set up, let's take a closer look at the design. One of the biggest highlights of this is how the chairs tuck completely under the table when not in use. This makes it perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorm rooms, or even a cozy kitchen corner. The table has a butcher block style finish, giving it a clean and modern look. It's neutral enough to blend with different interior styles, whether you've got a minimalist setup or an industrial theme or something more traditional. The steel frame makes the whole setup feel really sturdy. It's not wobbly, and even when you sit down or move around, it stays stable. The chairs have a nice weight to them, not too heavy, but definitely solid enough that they don't feel flimsy. Alright, and now let's see how it actually holds up for everyday use. The table supports 175 pounds, which is great for everyday meals, working on a laptop, or even holding some heavier kitchen items. And each chair can hold up to 275 pounds, so it's built to be sturdy and reliable for different users. Sitting at the table, the chairs are actually pretty comfortable. They have a good height in relations to the table, so you don't feel like you're sitting too low or too high. The footrests also help, especially if you're sitting for longer periods. So if you guys are looking for a new compact dining set, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.